Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of Danny's DieCast collection. Today we have the Airbus A380. Of course, it's in this generic box with, of course, the Airbus A380. And let's open it up. I paid a total of $6. Bought this from Aliexpress. It's a 1/400 scale, die-cast metal, Airbus A380. Of course, this is the FedEx cargo. Of course, it's not the passenger version. As you can see, there is no passenger windows, only a few windows right here. It is the world's largest passenger airline. It is also the only full double-deck jet airline. Okay, as you can see, the iconic wing layout, the way it looks, has that slope there. Okay. And you got your big 4 engines there. Nice detail on that. Because you got the FedEx logo right there. Let's just zoom in on that here so we can get some more detail on that. And you got your aircraft number there. Of course, there is no landing gear on this. This comes with a stand. You can see the detail on that. Right there. You got the cockpit. FedEx Express the world on time. And all the detail there on the wings. Okay, let's go look at the other side. And there you go. Let's put this down for a minute here. And let's take out the stand. And comes the included stand for this. Put it over here. And yeah, so this aircraft, its first flight was in April 27, 2005. It was the inaugural flight for this. The first time it went to service was with Singapore Airlines back in 2007. Okay. And there quite a few variants of this aircraft, this iconic aircraft. The Airbus A380, of course. You have your wingtip. And of course, quite a few airlines fly this aircraft. It's still in service today by quite a few airlines, including Emirates, British Airways, Singapore Airlines, Qantas, Lufthansa. There are quite a few. Of course, this is the cargo version with FedEx. Okay. And this aircraft is known for, which I didn't know at the time when I started doing research on this aircraft a few years ago, was this aircraft is 20% of the airframe is made out of composite materials, like carbon fiber, which is pretty cool. That's pretty innovative of them to do. It's pretty cool. And this aircraft also has a seating capacity of 575 passengers, with a max capacity of 853. And the cruise speed on this aircraft is 562 miles an hour. And the range is 9,200 miles. Okay? So this is the direct competitor of the famous Boeing 747. Okay? And this is the world's largest passenger jet. So there you go. The FedEx Airbus A380. Okay? It's an iconic aircraft there. And there you go. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you like content like this, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.